Dear students, welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in a most attractive digital format. Myself, Professor Anant Kumar V. Giratkar, Senior Lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. Today we learn Unit 3, Dams and Spillway, and topic is 3.1. Now, in this video lecture, we learn means after completion of this video lecture, the student will be able to CO map, maintain irrigation structure, and LO map, draw a label sketch of given type of dam, and PO map are PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4, PO5, PO8, PO9 and PO10. Now, dear students, what is dam? We already heard a dam means a dam is a barrier built across a stream or river to hold and control the flow of water for drinking, irrigation, water supply, flood control and hydropower generation etc. डैम यानी क्या होता है कि कोई एखादा स्ट्रीम है तो स्ट्रीम और रिवर इसका जो वाटर के अक्रॉस जो बंधारा कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता है उसको बोलते हैं बैरियर मीन्स टू ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट द स्ट्रीम एंड टू स्टोर द वाटर at its upstream side for the purpose of drinking, irrigation, water supply, excess flood control and generation of hydropower electricity is known as a dam. Now see the picture of dam. This is a dam, this is a dam and this is a dam. Okay, now classification. According the classification, dams are classified in three categories. Classification according to use, मतलब उसके use के हिसाब से means storage dam, diversion dam and detention dam. Then classification according to hydraulic design. हाइड्रोलिक डिजाइन के हिसाब से नॉन ओवरफ्लो डैम एंड ओवरफ्लो डैम एंड क्लासिफिकेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू मटेरियल यूज इन कंस्ट्रक्शन आर रिजिड डैम्स एंड नॉन रिजिड डैम्स. रिजिड डैम्स मीन्स कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय सीमेंट और स्टोन ओके और concrete are the rigid dams and non-rigid dams means constructed with the earth. Means rigid dams, solid masonry or concrete gravity dam, arch masonry or concrete arch dam, concrete buttress dam, steel dam, timber dam, and non-rigid dams are earth dam, rockfill dam and combination of earth and rockfill dams are the classification of dams. Now let's see the one by one. Then classification according to use. See this picture, this is the gravity dam. Okay, this is gravity dam, but according to classification, first storage dam. Dear student, storage means to store water. That is upstream side. This is the upstream side and this is the downstream side. Okay, so storage dam, this is the most common type of dam normally constructed. Then storage dam is constructed to store water to its upstream side during the period of excess supply in the river, that is rainy season. Now it is constructed of various materials like stone, concrete, earth and rockfill etc. Okay, and gravity dam, earthen dam, rockfill dam, arch dam are the example of storage dam. The storage dam means to store the water at its upstream side is known as a storage dam. Okay, then second is the diversion dam. This is the first picture of weir and this is the barrage are the examples of diversion dam. Then what is diversion dam? A diversion dam simply raises water level slightly in the river to provide head for carrying or diverting into ditches or canals etc. मतलब क्या होता है कि ये जो अपस्ट्रीम साइड में जस्ट वाटर लेवल बढ़ाने के लिए जो कंस्ट्रक्शन किए जाते हैं और ये जो स्टोर वाटर है ये स्टोर वाटर कैनल और डीचेस में डाइवर्ट करने के लिए जो कंस्ट्रक्शन किया जाता है उसको बोलते हैं डाइवर्शन डैम. फॉर एग्जांपल वियर एंड बैरेजेस आर द examples of diversion dam. Or remember that in the weir water is flow from top of the crest means यहाँ से water flow हो सकता है लेकिन बैरेजेस में just like as dam मतलब यहाँ पे अपन water जो गेट से इसको रोक भी सकते हैं. Okay, is the difference between weir and barrages. Then second point is there is of smaller height and no reservoir is formed to store water. Then this dam serves various purposes as irrigation, water supply and industrial uses. Okay. Then weirs and barrages are the example of diversion dams. Okay. Then second and third one is the डिटेंशन डैम. डिटेंशन डैम मतलब क्या होता है? ए डिटेंशन डैम इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड टू स्टोर वाटर ड्यूरिंग फ्लड्स एंड रिलीज इट ग्रेजुअली एट सेफ रेट व्हेन द फ्लड रिड्यूस. ओके, ये डिटेंशन डैम इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड टू स्टोर ड्यूरिंग फ्लड. जब भी बाढ़ आती है तब वाटर कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए जो डैम कंस्ट्रक्ट होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं डिटेंशन डैम. एंड दिस स्टोर वाटर विल बी रिलीज ग्रेजुअली यानी थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ग्रेजुअली एट द सेफ रेट व्हेन द फ्लड रिसीड्स. जैसे जैसे कम होता है वैसे वैसे वो वाटर रिलीज करने का उसको बोलते हैं डिटेंशन डैम. देन दिस हेल्ड वाटर शिफ्ट्स इनटू परवियस बैंक्स and foundation strata. Then due to seepage of water, water levels in wells increases. Okay, then such a dam is called as water spreading dam or dike. A multi-purpose river valley project. These dams are serves the purpose of storage, flood protection and recreations. Okay, then second type classification according to hydraulic design. There are two types. नॉन ओवरफ्लो डैम्स. नॉन ओवरफ्लो डैम मतलब जिसके ऊपर से पानी फ्लो नहीं होता उसको बोलते हैं नॉन ओवरफ्लो डैम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अर्थ डैम इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नॉन ओवरफ्लो डैम. अगर उसके ऊपर से पानी अगर ओवरटॉप हो जाएगा तो वो बह जाएगा. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नॉन ओवरफ्लो डैम इज द अर्थन डैम. ओके, देन नॉन ओवरफ्लो डैम. A non-overflow dam is the dam in which the top of dam is kept at higher elevation than the maximum expected high flood level. मतलब वहां पर मैक्सिमम कितनी हाई फ्लड लेवल होती है उससे वो डैम की लेवल और आरईएल या एलिवेशन ज्यादा रखना ताकि A non-overflow dam is the dam in which the top of the dam is kept at higher elevation. Okay. Then second, water is not permitted to overtop the dam. Okay. Then these dams may be constructed of wide varieties of material such as earth, rock fills, and masonry or concrete, etc. Now overflow dam देखिए यहाँ पे दिस इज द हाईएस्ट वाटर लेवल, हाई फ्लड लेवल HFL, यहाँ से ऐसे वाटर हो रहे, दिस इज द क्रिस्ट, ओके, एंड दिस इज द स्पिलवे. Then overflow dam, an overflow dam is the dam which is designed to carry surplus discharge over its crest. Its crest level is kept at a lower than the top of the other portion of the dam. Now, overflow dam is commonly known as spillway. Okay, these dams may be constructed of materials such as concrete or masonry dams. Okay, then next is the क्लासिफिकेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू मटेरियल्स, मीन्स कौन से मटेरियल यूज करके कंस्ट्रक्ट होते हैं. तो फॉर एग्जांपल ऑफ द आर्च डैम, मतलब इस टाइप का अगर आर्च अगर कंस्ट्रक्टेड होता है तो आर्च डैम में बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय स्टोन और कंक्रीट आल्सो. दिस इज द स्टील डैम मीन्स इट इज द यू मेड अप विथ स्टील्स. ओके, देन स्टील डैम अकॉर्डिंग टू मटेरियल dam are classified in two categories, rigid dam and non-rigid dam. So first is the rigid dam, and examples of rigid dam is the arch dam, steel dam. These dam are constructed of rigid materials such as masonry, concrete, steel and timber also. These are further classified as solid masonry or concrete gravity dam. Okay, arch masonry or concrete dam, then concrete buttress dam, steel dam are the and timber dam are the examples of rigid dams. Okay, then second is the earthen dam and rockfill dam are the examples of non-rigid dams. Okay, अर्धन डैम बह सकता है, रॉकफिल डैम भी बह सकता है, इसलिए दीज आर द नॉन रिजिड. ओके, देन these dams are constructed of non-rigid materials such as earth, rockfill means rock and which is filled with the rock, metals, etc. And these the most common types are earth dam, rockfill dam, combine of rock and earth dam are the examples according to material. Then cross section of earthen dam. This is the cross section of earthen dam. This is the ground level. Okay, and this is the halting zone. Okay, this is the clay fill is known as the cut off trench. विच ओके, इसके बाद में अपन देखेंगे इसके इसका क्या क्या फंक्शन है. ये जो मैं आपको शो कर रहा हूँ इसको बोलते हैं हार्टिंग जोन. जैसा अपना हार्ट होता है वैसे ये डैम का भी ये हार्ट है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज नोन एज द हार्टिंग जोन. दिस इज द कट ऑफ ट्रेंच. ओके, दिस इज द impervious rock. Okay, this is the L drain. L drain means longitudinal drain, which drain is laying length of the dam, and cross drain means width of the dam. This is the rock toe. This is the rock toe. This is the toe drain. मतलब यहाँ से जो भी पानी लीक होता है वो ये ड्रेन में जाता है. Then this is the side slopes and this is the berm. Okay, this is the turfing. Okay, टर्फिंग वगैरह जो क्या क्या है. दिस इज द टॉप ऑफ द डैम एंड दिस इज द पिचिंग. Okay, and this portion between hearting zone and pitching is known as a casing. This is the casing one, and this is the upstream casing, and this is the downstream casing. Okay, so are the cross section of earthen dam. This is the frequently asked in exam to draw the cross section of earthen dam and draw a well level sketch. Okay, then next is the cross section of gravity dam. This is the gravity dam. Gravity dam are constructed with the help of stone masonry or concrete. So this is the foundation level. This is known as the toe. This is the hill. This is the gallery. This is the sluice way. This is the top sluice way. This is the bottom sluice way, and this is the normal water level, and this is the maximum water level. In between that is known as the freeboard. Okay, and this is the parapet wall, and this is the roadway is known as the crest. Okay, and this is also okay, and this is the spillway. Okay, spillway मतलब जहां से वाटर ओवरफ्लो होता है उसको बोलते हैं स्पिलवे. ओके, देन summary of this lecture. In this lecture we learn definition of dam, dam classification according to use, dam classification according to hydraulic design, and dam classification according to material, and label sketches of earthen and gravity dam. Okay, so thank you very much.